Hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to look at the actual configuration of the promo code Pro 2 add-on and how that's going to come together and ultimately install that inside of your page so that it works. And so we're getting close. We're bringing this whole thing together, and we're going to make this work. So really, if you're familiar with CF Pro Tools at all and have used the CF Classic version, you'll probably pick this up pretty quick. If not, that's okay. What you're going to do, come into CF Pro Tools, click on Create New Add-on inside of your account, and then do a keyword search for promo code 2.0 because 2.0 works with 2. It will not work with the previous version of CF Classic. So chances are, if you're watching this video, you've already figured this part out. So you're going to go in there and start creating your add-on. Now, what I'm going to do, because I've already created this, I'm going to go to my promo code. See if I can find it. Might just do a quick search. Promo code 2.1. I've got the first version here. That's the one that I'm using. So I'm going to go through this real quick, just kind of show you guys how I set this up. So this is what it would look like once you're here. You're going to give it a name, and then you're going to say whether you want it to always show. There is a way, if you say yes, it will always show on the page no matter what, and anybody will see it. So if you only want that discount code to be visible when you inject a particular parameter into the URL bar, you can say no, and it will be hidden by default unless you put an and pecan equals 1 into the URL bar, which is really cool. Okay. Now I've got mine set up like that, but I'm going to say yes here. But if you want that to not show by default, then you just say no. All right. So you're going to add in your promo code discount. So you're going to put your codes. Maybe you want discount, 30 off, whatever it is that you want to set this up as. You can add a couple different codes that will apply to the products that you add in. Now, here's the product codes that we came up with in an earlier video. You're going to set those up. This is the one with a regular price and the one with the discount. Remember, the one that is discounted will by default be hidden from the page. So whatever you put here needs to be accurate so that it hides that product. It does need to be in your core product setup. If you want to add more products to this, then make sure that you have 2 of each product inside of your core product. So if you have 2 products that you want to discount, then you'll have those set up here with the main ID, product ID, and the discounted product ID. Same thing. If you have 3 products that you want to discount, you'll just keep adding those in here. If you're like, I screwed this all up, I just want to delete this, you can click those trash cans on the right and it'll delete those, okay? Your description where it says, hello, that worked. You could say, congratulations. This is the success message that we talked about earlier. Congratulations, your discount has been applied. All right, you can put that in there, and then there's a product that you want them to select after putting in a successful code. And this is the product that would be. I'm going to click Update Add-on. Everything is good to go there. And we now have everything that we need. We're going to take that script, copy the code, and we're going to go over to CF Pro, or we're going to go back to the editor. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go into our code, and then we're going to go into our header code. Or we're not going to go to the header code. There's nothing there, as you can see. We're going to go to the footer code. We're going to add this script in, just like that, and it's now active. I've made the magic mover inactive at this point. We'll activate that video that we do. So let's hit the save button, and we now have our section already created over here in the far left, and then we have the add-on configuration for the promo code created, and then what we're going to do is just preview that and see how it looks. We're going to make sure that it's functional. At this point in time, it should be functional. So we can see that the discounted version is and has been what was I going to say? It's been hidden from view, which is what we want. And I've got this in a 1-step, so that way we're not flipping through different sections. It says, what is your discount code over here? Now, even though this is outside of the checkout element, it should still work. So if I said whatever random code, it says no such code. That popped up. That was my error message. If I say nothing at all, it should just say no such code. If I say discount and then hit the tab button, it says congratulations, your discount has been applied. You can see that's a little bit large there, so you might want to play around with your styling, your padding, play around with how that's set up. But it did change over here. You notice that it did apply to that. And then the 30 off, I believe, was the other one that I created. We can hit apply, and it works for that as well. Okay, so that's how it works. Everything looks good. Make sure that you style this appropriately to how you want. In the next video, we will move this using Magic Mover into the actual orders, the order checkout element here, so that it looks like it's part of the family. And then of course you'll have this far left column to play around with and do whatever you want with. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.